Hi there. In this video, we will cover templates. Let's take a look at message templates. Hover over the Settings tab and select Templates. On this screen, you'll see the pre-existing templates in the TechMan system. Some of these will be associated with automated reminders such as MOT, service, or booking reminders. We can edit existing templates by clicking Edit on the right-hand side. But let's create a new template by either clicking in the top right corner or hitting the blue plus button on the top left. From the template creation screen, we can start by selecting what type of template we're creating. In this instance, let's make an SMS template and call it Vehicle Ready for Collection. You can free type in the content box to create your message template. However, we can use our template content keywords below to help us construct the message and pull key information through. Let's start by adding the greeting and the customer's full name keywords in the message. Using the greeting keyword, the system will display a greeting depending on the time of day. There are 3 possible values: good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Furthermore, the customer full name keyword will pull through the customer's full name, including title if available. Next, let's enter the message and include the vehicle reg keyword and sign off by using the garage name keyword after sending our regards. Once we're happy with the content of the message, simply click Save. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our help centre to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.